mobile phones. It was a big, huge.
Remember that big one I gave you?
Yeah. That's frightening. You could, in a pinch, you could always use it as a weapon.
That's for sure.
Because it had the proper weight and size.
It's a video. Video.
Oh!
So they're standing there like, are you taking it yet?
Take the picture.
Oh, that
It's a
picture is
camcorder?
so clear.
Yeah, we're doing video here.
Is it a phone?
Yes.
See the
Is it a
post you can get?
laptop?
Yes.
Lori, wink.
And it will pick up your dry cleaning.
Will it clean toilets?
If you get the right angle, probably.
Dog?
Does it do windows?
No, I'm going over here to Stephanie.
Stephanie, coming up. You're coming up.
What?
It's video. It's a video.
Okay,
It's a
smile.
Hi.
Hi. Here comes Fran.
Hello.
Paula's behind you. Yeah, Paula. Yeah, it's
Okay,
Fran
hold on.
over here.
Okay, I'm doing this.
It's me again. Oh,
There's Dave.
Here's Dave.
There's Dave.
Maxing and relaxing and chilling all cool.
Outside.
Ain't shooting no big ball outside of the school.
Oh, there's Paula. Paula's in the picture now. And there's Trisha.
Now you gotta turn it around to you, Mary.
Yeah.
Mary.
Come on, Mary.
Mary.
Get yourself.
Come on.